Hello students, how are you all? I'm from St. John's High School. I'm Mrs. Sarah Shakil and I welcome you in your first Social Studies class. And today our lesson is the Indus Valley Civilization and the Aryans. Let's see what is subcontinent. A subcontinent is a part of continent that is recognizable as being different from the continent to which it is attached. उर्दू में इसको बरे सगीर भी कहा जाता है. A part of an Asian continent. At that time there were 3 countries in the subcontinent during the British Raj: India, Pakistan and Bangladesh. What is civilization? The society, culture and the way of life of a particular area is called civilization. Yes, there are 10 old civilizations. Let's read them. The Mesopotamian civilization, the Indus Valley civilization, the ancient Egyptian civilization, the Maya civilization, the Chinese civilization, the ancient Greek civilization, the Persian civilization, the Roman civilization, the Aztec civilization, the Incan civilization, and our civilization come in the second one. Second, the Indus Valley civilization. Yes, the Indus Valley civilization. It is the second oldest civilization in the world. दुनिया की दूसरी बड़ी पुरानी सिविलाइजेशन है. इसको IVC यानी इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन या हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन भी कहा जाता है. इट इज़ कॉल्ड ब्रोंज एज सिविलाइजेशन यानी तांबे का अहद. मेटल वॉज डिस्कवर्ड एंड यूज्ड इन दिस सिविलाइजेशन. First settlers on the subcontinent. The people of Indus Valley are believed to have been the first known settlers on the subcontinent. The earliest traces of human settlements in the area have been found at Mehergarh, a city in Balochistan. Location. The Indus Valley civilization stretched from Afghanistan along the Kabul River as far as the Indian Punjab. The Indus Valley civilization seems to have been located initially along the bank of the ancient river Saraswati. Now this river is dried up. In this slide you can see map. Here you can see the circles Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro and Kot Diji, they are in the province of Sindh, and Kot Diji is opposite to the Mohenjo-daro. The second one is Harappa and it is in the province of Punjab. Indus Valley civilization had 3 phases: early phase, mature phase, late phase. In this map you can see mature phase where we can see 3 ancient civilizations in Pakistan. Yes, Dravidians. The earliest people in the Indus Valley are known as Dravidians. The Brahui people in Balochistan are Dravidians. Their language belongs to the group of Dravidians. Here you can see, आप देख सकते हैं इस मैप में कि आर्यंस यहाँ इस रास्ते से इस एरिया में आए थे. Ancient cities of the Indus Valley civilization. 3 important cities कौन से ancient यानी पुराने. Number 1 is Kot Diji and it is in the province of Sindh. Harappa, it is in the province of Punjab. Mohenjo-daro, it is in the province of Sindh. The 2 greatest cities, Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, emerged in 2600 BC along the Indus River Valley in Punjab and Sindh. In the map you can see Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, and this is the green one. This is river Indus, green and blue in color, river Indus. ये दो अजीम तरीन शहर मोहनजोदाड़ो और हड़प्पा जो कि 2600 कबल मसीह में दरियाए सिंध की वादी में उभरे. In this slide you can see pictures of Harappa. Harappan civilization or Indus Valley civilization, it was discovered by Sir John Marshall in 1921. Location Punjab province near river Ravi. Archaeological excavation first began in 1921 CE at Harappa in the Punjab on the bank of river Ravi. That is how its civilization came to be known as Harappan civilization. Time period is 3300 BC, 1900 BC. Here BCE stands for Before Common Era and CE stands for Common Era. Children, the BCE years are counted backwards. 3300 BC means the events in history took place 3303 years before Christ. So this is the period which is called Bronze Age civilization. In this slide you can see a picture of Fort Kot Diji. It is very big fort. ये एक तारीखी मुकाम है. The site is situated at the foot of Rahari Hills where a Fort Kot Diji was built. It is an archaeological and historical site. Archaeological मतलब आसार कदीमा and historical मतलब तारीखी, belonging to the past, famous historical figures. Kot Diji was discovered in 1955 till 1975. It is located about 24 kilometers south of Khairpur in the province of Sindh. It is on the east bank of river Indus. Location जो है वो खैरपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट सिंध पाकिस्तान की है and it is opposite to the Mohenjo-daro. Kot Diji was found by S.R. Rao, built by Mir Sohrab Khan between 1785 till 1795. Means 10 years lage. Yes children, it's time for your homework. What was the question number 1? What was the first known settlement of the Indus Valley civilization? Number 2, name 3 Indus Valley civilizations. Children, hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you for listening. You have to do this work on a foolscap sheet, make a file and do your work and submit it in the school. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.